Welcome to Crypto Dogs News. In the upcoming weeks on May 26th, the Ethereum ETF should be released, resulting in a significant market inflow. After the Bitcoin ETF release in April, we anticipate a substantial surge in Ethereum. It's a prime time to invest, especially after the recent market dip of over 15%. Remember, amidst the current bull run, corrections like these are common and beneficial for the market's health. Keep a close watch on AI coins during this bullish phase. Ajax, Fetch.ai, and SingularityNet merging into ASI token signals a strong contender with immense growth potential. Lastly, don't overlook meme coins like Bonk, WIF, and Floki. Market experts predict a substantial surge in these coins, aligning with our projections. Crypto Dogs comprises 6 seasoned traders with over a decade of experience in crypto trading and extensive backgrounds in traditional stock and forex markets. Join our free Telegram group for market analysis and daily crypto news. For personalized support and top-notch signals, access our premium Discord. Explore our comprehensive eBook covering the crypto universe and trading skills from novice to expert levels. Like our Instagram page and share this video for complimentary access before it becomes a paid resource. Our eBook is available in both German and English, catering to a diverse audience. Embrace Crypto Dogs to seize every opportunity in the market.